So we start off today's video with someone who has beautiful copper colored hair. Wow, the stylist ended up doing a beautiful bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So next up we do have another transformation. Looks like she is going from a long curly hair wow, to a beautiful pixie haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. She looks amazing. Such a beautiful transformation. So next up, we do see another hair transformation. Looks like she ended up getting an undercut style. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful undercut bob. Love the color combination. And then we have a gorgeous pixie cut. This one features a longer pixie style, loving the hints of blonde throughout. Absolutely stunning. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have a bob makeover. She ended up getting more of like that mini bob that we're seeing trending right now. Followed by another pixie. Absolutely gorgeous. She did end up getting more like that classic Peter Pan style pixie. Followed by this salt and pepper pixie style. Gorgeous. This one features bangs in the front. I love this woman's beautiful purple that she has sprinkled in throughout her hair. And the stylist ended up giving her more of like a layered cut. Curtain style bangs. Beautiful. You can tell that layered hairstyle just gives you so much volume. I know I say this all the time, but it is just incredible to me. Then we have another gorgeous Pixie. Wow. She looks so fashionable and chic. I love her whole overall style, and her cut just really accents her look. And then we see a bob refresh. So she has a classic neck length style bob here. And the stylist elevates it with this jaw length midi bob and bang combo. And then we see someone with mid-length curly hair. And it looks like she has decided to switch things up with another bob haircut. Her hair looks absolutely gorgeous. So let us know in the comments below which hairstyle from today's video so far has been your favorite. I think mine was definitely that long to curly Pixie transformation. Her hair just looked so beautiful at the end. So amazing. There's so many ways that you can play around with curly hair nowadays. And the Pixie is just another great option. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.